Thanks to SANDMARC for sending these bad boys. Let's get right into it. The SANDMARC Prolight Mini Bicolor and Prolight Mini RGB are the most handy things ever in my photo and video equipment. I think anyone from hobbies like me all the way up to professionals would find these lights very handy. The box includes a complete package. A hot shoe mount so you can mount it directly on your camera or rig or small tripod. A thick and effective diffuser. A white USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. A pouch, manual, and the light itself. With the size of just like a thick credit card and weighs only 86 grams, you can bring it anywhere you go so you have a bright and versatile lights that you can use in any situation. One of the many use cases I had for this light is lighting my meetings. Prop it up on something like one of those bendable phone holders or a mini tripod and tada, easy lighting fix. On the bicolor, you can adjust the color temperature between 3000 to 6500 Kelvin to match your environment lights so that your skin tone looks like how it looks like in real life. And this light has a color rendering index or CRI of 95+, which means it makes high quality and true to life colors so you don't get that green or magenta color cast that you otherwise get from bad quality lights. And this thing can get really bright. It's amazing how much light this tiny thing can output. And the free diffuser is actually effective in softening the light to make for a more flattering image. Some diffusers are flat, not giving enough space for the light to diffuse around. This one is thick and actually has enough space between the panel and the diffusing material for it to diffuse properly. As for the battery life, the bicolor can last up to 90 minutes and full brightness, which is awesome. And if that's not enough for you, you can plug it in while using it so you have unlimited power. On the other hand, we have the Prolight Mini RGB, which is kind of my favorite simply because of the creative possibilities you get with the RGB colors. My most common use cases for the RGB are the following. First, using it as a practical light for my talking head videos like this one. I have two now. One I use on here and the other one is here. Using it as accent light for product photo or video. Here's an example of without accent light and with accent light using the Prolight Mini RGB. And plenty more use cases really. Your imagination is the limit with these lights. You can set the U from 1000 all the way up to 10,000 and with the high CRI of 96+, so colors are well reproduced, no funky color shift or color cast to ruin your photos or videos. The RGB has a max brightness of 600 lux at a half a meter and has a battery life of 60 minutes at 100% brightness. Now let's talk quality of life features and the actual experience of using and operating these lights. First up, value adjustments is in increments of 1, which is great because you're not limited to huge jumps in color temperature or Kelvin value or brightness value. You actually get the full capability of the LEDs with very specific adjustments. Second, the light itself is well made and feels premium. I think it's made of CNC aluminum. Holding it feels kind of like holding the venerable iPhone 5S, but like lighter. It feels good on hand and feels solid. It has a standard thread mount for flexible mounting options. Not to mention, they include a free hot shoe to thread adapter. Next, the screen has great layout for displaying your current settings and battery life. Also, the 4 buttons are actually intuitive to use and I think that's really worth emphasizing. A lot of lights and other products try to reduce buttons at the cost of operational simplicity. This one doesn't. It has 4 buttons that does specific things like power button, mode switcher, value up, and value down. Lastly, lifetime warranty. In my experience, brands that offer long-term or lifetime warranty make the most reliable products. TNCs apply of course to prevent warranty abuse, but yes, lifetime warranty baby. From their site, you can get both lights in a kit deal for $14,999 US, $720, or you can buy them separately if you only need one at $69.99 for the bicolor and $99.99 for the RGB. But I'd say they work really great in tandem, so if you can, try to get both. And that's it for this handy lights. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button so others can find this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe for more. And also follow me on Instagram. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.